Hey everybody, now we're taking a break from challenge lock. I got a lock here that replaced, it was supposed to be a rekey, but there's so much sanding crap in here that the spindle won't come out, and it's got a huge dent in it, so just went ahead and replaced it. So thought anyway that I would pick it. There's that. And whatever. Just take a break from challenge locks here and get this guy open. Now, this didn't even have a key, so not sure how long that's been the case, but we'll see how easy it picks, or if it even wants to pick at all. Yep, got it. Not bad for, I guess a Kwikset. Kind of sometimes fun to pick an easy one. And so it's going in the trash. And back to picking challenge locks.